Okay, in this video, I'm going to go over evaluating function expressions. This will be your third assignment for today. And as you can see here, we have y equals f of x, and then we have y equals g of x. We have two different functions just graphed on the same xy axis. And for this one, well, over here, let's see here, for our f of -3, well, if we were going to solve this, first of all, what will we need to do here? This is basically just order of operation stuff again. But now, for f of -3, well, we have to go up here and we have to look at f of x. So we have to look at what's going on with our f of x graph. So at -3 for f of x, we have 2. So we know that that is going to become +2. We can go ahead and bring our -3 down. Bring the plus sign down, bring your 2 down, and then your multiplication sign. That's what that dot means, of course. Now for this one, we're going to have to go down here and figure out what our output value is going to be at g of 2. So we know that green is g of x. So we'll have to go over here to x equals 2, and then we're going to go down here to -2. So our g of x value, or g of 2 value, is going to be -2. So now all we need to do here is follow our order of operation rules. So -3 times 2 is going to give us -6. And then over here we can bring down this plus sign, and then we got 2 times -2, which is going to give us -4, which will give us -6 plus -4. Well, we got a negative plus another negative, so that's going to give us -10. Okay, so now let's evaluate this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring down our -4. And then f of 3. Well, we're working with f. So we need to go to our x equals 3 value, which is here. And now we'll need to go up and figure out what our output value of f of x will be at that given point, which will be 5. So times 5. Bring down your minus sign. Then 6. Times sign, and now we have g of 5. So now we need to figure out what's going on here, what our g of 5 value is going to be. So we know that our g output values, or g of x values, will be down here. So we can go up here to x is 5, and then come all the way down here to -5. And that is our output at x is 5 for g of x. So we'll have a -5 here. I'll go ahead and put that in parentheses. It looks better like that. Over here as well. Okay, so now, let's see here. So now follow your order of operation rules. Remember, multiplication comes first. So -4 times +5. Negative times a positive is a negative, which will give us -20. Going to bring down my minus sign, and then over here we'll have, well, actually, no, that's going to become a plus because we have -6 times -5. So negative times a negative is a positive, and then 6 times 5 is going to be 30. Now we have addition, so we've got 30 minus 20, which will give us +10. So that is how that's done. If you guys have any other questions, just let me know. Thank you.